So what do I mean by customer-induced volatility? Well, I'm referring to customer requirements that are changing all the time. Maybe you're getting customer purchase orders that they are revising and rescheduling frequently, or you're getting EDI orders that are fluctuating constantly because they're automated. Or maybe you're getting forecasts from the customers that you're expected to abide and adhere to, even though they're changing all the time. In all of these cases, it represents something that's wrong at the customer site internally because they're unable to generate purchase requirements that are stable and make sense. But you really can't do anything about it, and you just have to deal with it. So how do you deal with it? Well, of course, you could try to make the customer happy by just absorbing all of these changes, but that can be a real problem because all of those fluctuating requirements can overwhelm your internal control system, and it can affect other customers that coexist in the same factory and are competing for the same resources. In fact, you can imagine an entire supply chain getting affected if an OEM manufacturer is flowing down constantly changing signals to you, and then you, if you're doing it too, flow those down to your supplier so that the entire supply chain gets infected with volatility. And what's going to happen? Well, you're going to have long lead times, you're going to have high inventory, high WIP, poor on-time performance, and you're going to have a past due backlog that is accumulating. Now, you can use inventory to damp out these customer oscillations. And if you've decided to invest in inventory, you have to do it in the right way. And a lot of manufacturers do it in the wrong way because they use an inventory planning methodology that involves keeping N days on hand of inventory. Maybe it's 30 days on hand, or no, we want to keep 45 days on hand. That's just not going to cut it. And there are much better methodologies to keep inventory lean, but still high performing. Now, what if you don't maintain inventory? What if an aspect of your business is custom manufacturing or your make to order? Well, there are policies and practices that you can institute that will dampen out these customer oscillations.